Hey guys, in today's video I will show you how you can install Microsoft Visual Studio Code Editor in your Windows 11 machine. So we all know that Visual Studio Code is a powerful code editor specifically designed for developers, and it's packed with so many features and extension for seamless coding. So without further delay, let's get started. So open any of your favorite browser and simply search for VS Code download. And the once the search result came, the very first link is the official link from Microsoft, that is the code.visualstudio.com. Just click on that link and it will take you to that download page. And there you will have the option for downloading the VS Code based on different operating system. Like you can find the option for Windows, Ubuntu, and Mac. So right now we are planning to download the VS Code in Windows 11 machine. So I'm clicking this option, Windows 11. So it will take me to that document file, I mean document page, but it will also start to download the file. So once that download is completed, simply double click that executable file. It will start the installation process for you. So the wizard is launched and you can see that it's a license page where it is asking us to accept the agreement. So simply click on that I accept the agreement option and click next. And this is the path where Microsoft Visual Studio Code will get installed. So if you want to change the path, you can change it by using the browse option. But right now I'm okay with this path, so I'm clicking next. Simply click next here also. And so here I want the Visual Studio Code to be created as a desktop icon also. So I will simply check this checkbox so that it will create a desktop icon for me. Um, I'm clicking next and then review the setup that you have selected and click install. So the installation process will begin and it will install the VS Code in your machine. Yeah, the installation process is complete, and in this particular option, it is this checkbox is checked, which means that once I click the finish, it will automatically launch the Visual Studio Code for me. I click finish. So yeah, so Visual Studio Code is successfully installed in our machine. So you can follow the same step and install the Visual Studio Code on your Windows 11 machine. So that's it. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have liked this video, please hit the like button and also subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.